Elementor Review, first choice of web builders on WordPress. If you run WordPress, you're familiar with using the various widgets and plugins that are offered to help you in customizing your website. WordPress hasn't always had the same visual appeal as it has now. If you used WordPress in the beginning, you may recall the simplicity of the pages and your problems with image uploading, HTML, and wonky animations. In recent years, WordPress has advanced past all of this, and with the availability of numerous plugins, it's continuing to go beyond the fundamental formatting and embrace a variety of alternatives that enable the creation of distinctive, message-centered sites. The plugin, Elementor, is one of these. Elementor now has more than 1 million active users since its launch. Currently, Elementor is the most popular WordPress website building tool for pros. In all reality, Elementor is considerably more than just a little plugin these days. However, we'll get to that later. Features. Elementor gives you the ability to see everything as you create your website. You may add features and view the updates in real time, rather than working on a website and assuming what the final product will look like. Every modification is precisely how it appears, compared to the default WordPress editor, which nearly always requires you to preview your page to see the results. This is a significant advantage. While text boxes must be filled out using the sidebar on the left, some areas, such as headings, allow you to alter the content directly on the page. The sidebar is relevant. For example, you can view all the widgets here. But if you click on one item on the page, the widgets that are accessible for that item will be displayed instead. For instance, if you choose to customize a button, you may do it in the sidebar by altering its title, coloration, linking it to a URL, etc. The array of tools available to you is fairly astounding, ranging from fundamentals like alignment to more sophisticated features like motion effects and responsive rules. You can create some genuinely original pages. If you're searching for a quick, polished, and previously put together style, Elementor's more than 150 pre-designed SEO-friendly sites can be quite beneficial. 40 of these can be found in the free version, but they're scattered across the list, making it difficult to find them. You can't resist the ones that require payment because they have a Pro label to the upper right of their icon, but there's no other way to find the ones that are free but to scroll through the list. Widgets make it more obvious that only the basic 10 are free. The most intriguing ones, like Collapsible, Social Icons, and Navigation Anchor, are found in the Pro area and require a yearly plan to use, as is to be expected. When it comes to templates, you can upload some from third-party programs to use in Elementor, providing you with even more options if you're searching for a certain design but still want to take advantage of the drag-and-drop capabilities of the platform. What can Elementor do? Keep in mind that any changes you make in your Elementor page will take effect immediately. When you enter something, the viewer screen immediately changes as a result. Let's face it, despite how many times we proofread, a friend will inevitably find a mistake. Instead of needing to redo your page's coding, you may now alter it quickly. Additionally, Elementor offers a canvas development mode. This functionality can be used to place custom boxes that are available for click-and-drag placement, which I covered earlier. Canvas mode gives you complete artistic control over the appearance of your website. Elementor Pro is a web page builder that we at Curate Labs suggest, since it also offers mobile view editing, which lets you to see how your website looks on mobile devices. This is a useful tool to raise user engagement if the majority of your audience uses mobile devices. Additionally, Elementor goes above and beyond by allowing you to display or conceal particular widgets on specific devices. For instance, you might not want to show a large image on the mobile edition of your website. With the flip of a toggle, you can easily hide it on mobile devices thanks to Elementor's flexible design tools. In order to accomplish this simplicity, page builders minimize the need for specialized code. So occasionally, you have to give up a little freedom in how you position items. But the beautiful thing about Elementor is that it provides you with a ton of simple controls that let you position each widget, section, and column precisely where you want them. You'll see how helpful this drag-and-drop functionality is as you construct your website. Need to move a section, column, or widget? Just move it with a simple drag. It's that easy. You can change the width of a column by dragging it. Pixel-level accuracy can be attained easily, and everything is incredibly intuitive. Comparing Elementor Pro with free. The nicest part about everything is that Elementor's basic version is free. The commercial edition offers certain bonuses, but the free version has a lot more features and choices. You can include pay buttons to complete online transactions, links to other websites you own, films, and brief animations to draw viewers in. Additional advantages include